तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे व्हाट आर मॉड्यूल्स इन जावास्क्रिप्ट। इन जावास्क्रिप्ट, मॉड्यूल्स आर reusable pieces of code that can be exported from one program and imported into another. They help organize and structure your code by breaking it into smaller, manageable files. Modules allow you to encapsulate functionality, making your code more maintainable and easier to debug. Example: suppose we have two JavaScript files. First, module1.js. Here we are export function, the function name greet, and in app.js we import this function into here. Import greet from module1.js, and we can use this greet function in app.js. In this example, module1.js exports a greet function using export. App.js import the greet function from module1.js using import. The allows app.js to use the greet function defined in module.js, keeping the code modular and organized. This is all about the modules in JavaScript. In next video, we are covering the how do we use import and export statements. So for now, thank you for now. We will meet in the next video.